What's up, guys? Tim again. We got another box. Vending, Bowman Chrome 16 baseball for Mr. Barish. Going box 2 again. Good luck, man. Pack a 1. Starts off with Chris Sale. Drury rookie. There's your boy Newman and Gerardo. Black gold Irwin. David Paulino. Pretty good young picture for the Stros. Well, in the Stros system. Flamethrower. And base. Stack 2. My boy Stro. We got Plummer, Bellinger for Topps 100s, Ben Lively Black Gold, and Jordan Guerrero. Purple Auto, 178 out of 250. 178 out of 250. A little bit of colored ink in this box. Let's try out pack 3. Sanchez rookie. Ooh, gold. Could have gold ink here. Sanchez, Conforto, CJ, Lee, Schaefer. Nice little run of rookies there. Garcia and Ward. We got a Jairo Barras black gold, and the gold is unautoed. Autograph underneath it. Mike Gerber for the Tigers. Jalen Miller is the gold. 38 out of 50 for the Giants. 38 out of 50. And Mike Gerber, your last auto. Let's see if you got a bonus. Bonus. Dawson and Hankins, and you got a bonus refractor at least, not an auto. Travis Blankenhorn out of 499 for the Twins. There you go, fella. Oh, fella. Look up, Chapman. Put your cards right in this box, dude. Let me know if you need anything else, Mike. Got you right there now. Let's check orders here. See if I got anybody. Nope, nobody in the queue. Nobody in the queue, so we are